Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make 2D sketch in SolidWorks. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now going to select Plane White. Now draw the circle here from origin and give the dimension this circle 100. Now go to draw the hair circle. This circle dimension 20 and this point and this circle distance 140. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now go to line here. Now select here arc and select here again arc and select here arc and select the line. Okay. Now this arc and this circle give the value 285. Okay. Now this line control this circle tangent. This point control this circle coincident. Okay. Now this circle, this line control this arc tangent. Okay. Now this arc radius 145. Now I am going to just delete this man 145. Okay. Now I am going to center line draw this point and another center line draw here. Now I'm going to degree this center line and this center line below 42. Okay. Now select. Okay. This point control this line tangent and coincident. Now this line and this line degree 7. Okay. Now this one and this point distance 50. Okay. Okay. Now go to trim tools and cut hair. Okay. Now I am going to select rectangle here. Now give the dimension 50 and this line sheet, this arc, give the dimension below 25. Okay, select. Now this line control this line equal. Now I am going to this midpoint, select, and this point horizontal. Okay. Now this point, this line, and this point 65. Okay, 65 given here. This line and shift this arc, give the value 210. Okay, select. Okay, what is the problem? This point control this center line. Coincident. Okay. Now, what is the problem now? Select here. You just finding. Just finding. Okay, I am going to this arc, control this arc. Equal. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to draw two circle. Now here draw the circle. Circle or 3-point arc as you wish. Now I am going to circle here and here. Now give the value 230 and this circle value 140. Okay. Now I am going to going to select power trim to close, cut and cut. Okay. Select. Now this point and now I am going to dimension this point and this point and this line dimension this point and this line dimension 65. Okay. Select. Now draw the hair circle in below 140. 140. Now draw the circle here 140 and here draw the circle, two circle. No need this circle, delete, and this delete. Now give this circle dimension 230 and this circle dimension 140. Okay. Now go to trim this cut and this cut, this cut and this cut. Okay. This cut and this cut and this cut. Okay. Now I am going to this arc, make center line. This arc makes center line. Okay. Now I am going to draw the slot. No mind everyone, I am making this job randomly for learn student. Now I am going to this line and this are dimension given 10. Okay. Now I am going to here again slot draw center slot here select. Now give the value slot 20 and 12. This dimension 20 and this dimension and 12. Okay. Now I am going to circular pattern. Just select here, delete this point and select this point. Now equal spacing delete. Now give the value. Change the direction and now give the value 5. Okay. Now change the value. Now here value given 10.5 degree minus 10.5. Okay. You just move here. This point control this point. Merge or coincidence. Merge. Merge is problem. So you just moving here. This point control this center line. You just select coincidence. Okay. But I have need to this is so it is incorrect. Okay. Control Z. I am going to again circular pattern. You just delete this point and select this point and delete equal spacing. Now select 11, direction change, value 5. I have need to this is okay 10.5 minus direction change. Now this is correct. You just move here. You just this center line control this center line. Collinear. Collinear control Z. Just select here. Collinear not this point control this center line. Coincident. And this point control this point. Coincident or vertical? Vertical. Okay. Now this is a perfect now. Okay, make our job. I am going to just dimension. Okay, now going to this dimension, this center line dimension below 70. This below 150. 115. Okay. Now this select. I'm going to this delete. I just select air radius. Okay. Now select here. Select here. Okay. Select here. Select here. Now this delete. Just here radius. And radius select. Okay, this man. This degree here select. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. This design is randomly learning.